Let's see what will face mask better, silver or gold. Starting with the silver face mask. Silver pearls. Smash, smash, smash. Silver pellets. Smash, smash, smash. Silver sequins. Smash, smash, smash. Silver crystals. Silver stars. Smash, smash, smash. Silver hearts. Smash, smash, smash. Silver flakes. Mix, mix, mix. Silver leaf. Smash, smash, smash. Silver glitter. Mix, mix, mix. Silver fairy dust. Silver powder. Mix, mix, mix. Silver cleanser. Silver foaming soap. Smash, smash, smash. Pure silver serum. Rejuvenating silver serum. Mix, mix, mix. Silver pumpkin mask. Silver peel-off mask. Smash, smash, smash. Silver chain. Smash, smash, smash. 100% liquid silver. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the silver. Peptide. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. This feels luxurious. It's actually kind of heavy. Ugh. It tastes like metal. It doesn't smell like much. I kind of look like a superhero. I rate this mask 8 out of 10. Now let's make the gold face mask. Gold. Smash, smash, smash. Gold pearls. Smash, smash, smash. Gold pellets. Smash, smash, smash. Gold sequins. Smash, smash, smash. Gold crystals. Smash, smash, smash. Gold stars. Smash, smash, smash. Gold flakes. Smash, smash, smash. 24 karat gold leaves. Smash, smash, smash. Money sign, butterfly, star, tree, crown, heart, deer, flower. Smash, smash, smash. 24 karat gold glitter. Mix and mix. 24 karat gold fairy dust. 24 karat gold cleanser. Mix and mix. 24 karat advanced gold serum. Mix, mix, mix. 24 karat gold anti-aging serum. 24 karat gold facial mask. Mix, mix, mix. 24 karat gold sparkling peel-off mask. Mix, mix, mix. Gold chain. 100% liquid gold. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the gold. Add the white stuff. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. Wow, this feels super expensive. I mean, look at it. This actually tastes really good. This smells like $1,000,000. I rate it 10 out of 10. Subscribe and comment what face mask you want to see next.